what is a chatbot and how you can create and what are features are available in our Telugu social platform. So for that, I'll show what is a chatbot. For example, this is our Telugu internal number. If I write a hi over here, the a automatic reply comes over here saying hello Amandeep Kaur, and it gives me several options. So I can choose any of the option that is relevant to me, and I can reply over that. So this all things of option, the messages, everything can be customized as per your client's requirement. This is a demo chatbot that we have created for an internal number. So here, if I select India, it came like hello. If you want to know what more, press yes. So if I press yes, it will again redirect me some other flow. So these are different features and interactive buttons kind of thing that we can have a chatbot. So I'll show you what are features we have in a chatbot in a platform. So I'll show you this in going through the builder section. We have this option in display information. We have 4 types of node categories: display info, data input, process and flow, integration. In display information, we can send messages, we can send message with option, we can send carousels, we can send images, documents, audios, videos, template message, random message, and custom cards. These are features are available. In data input is if you want your some data from your user, you can ask a feed, you can give a feedback, you can give a feedback form, you can ask your client to upload a file, upload an image, etc. You can give your end users, your clients to fill a form. You can request for their identity. You can request for the data. You can give the slider option for them. The next we have process and flows. We in process and flow, we can trigger a path. The trigger a path is nothing. I'll show you an example. If I select yes over here, it redirect me to this option button. So this is my path. So you can trigger n number of path as per your requirement. This is called a trigger a path. Then you can send emails, and then you can have decision button, yes, no. You can add FAQs, you can add web views, you can directly transfer the chat to your agents. You can pause the chatbot for some time. You can add script, you can set attributes, you can send the notification to subscribe to campaign, unsubscribe to campaign, and there is an option of languages as well. The last node category is integration. You can also integrate several things in your chatbot. You can integrate your Google Calendars, Freshdesk, Google Sheet, APIs, Salesforce, Zyper, etc. Any type of integration is also available. So these are the basic and the main features of that we provide in a chat. Thank you for watching.